In this video, I will show you how to change language on Steam back to English. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is make sure you've got Steam opened, and if you come up to the top left hand corner, you want to click onto the far left option, so the Steam option up here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click the second option from the bottom, which is going to take you into your settings. From your settings window, come over to the left hand side. What you want to do is click onto the interface option, which is this option here with a picture of a computer monitor. And then if you come up to the very top of the interface section, this is where you can change the Steam client language. So all you need to do is simply click onto the drop down box here, and you can select your language from here. Now I've already got mine set to English, but if you do have yours in a different language, you just want to select English from here. And once you've done that, you're going to get a pop-up asking you to restart Steam. So you just need to restart Steam, and once Steam restarts, it's going to load up back in English. So that is how to change language on Steam back to English. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.